Oh my god, guys, I've only got like 2 hours of sleep.
Hej, mit navn er Gito.
Oh my god, get the fuck out of here, you computer voice. Robot voice. But yeah, I basically didn't show up on time to this government welfare thing. But thankfully we're out in the middle of nowhere, and I called the guy I talked to. And I just explained the situation, like, listen, I'm sorry, I only had 2 hours of sleep, genuinely. If I show up in the next 10 minutes, can we still do this thing? And he was like, if you show up in the next 10, And I was like, bet. Put on my helmet, put on my gear. And I made it in 9 minutes. Let's go. I'm so happy. Let's go. If this had been Copenhagen, man, game over. Start over. But yeah, I just blasted in the rain. It was crazy. It's been a while since I've been going that fast. Finally, I meet someone from the government office with a soul. I think I might have actually called his personal number because after my previous meeting 2 days ago, he called me up and asked me whether or not I've gotten an email of confirmation of our next booking. And I was like, oh yeah, I did. You sent it to the right phone number. And yeah, as a result, I retained his personal number, which I called today. And I was like, dude, I am so sorry. I've only had 2 hours of sleep. And yeah, I set 10 alarms and apparently I snoozed them all. Is there any way, like, did anyone cancel, or can I just sit around and wait and hope that someone doesn't show up and, show up instead? And he was like, listen, and he asked me, how far away are you? And I said, listen, I can be there in 10 minutes, or within 10 minutes. And he was like, within 10 minutes? Okay, we can make an exception. And I just got my gear on as fast as possible, and I just blasted down here in 9 minutes. It is so nice to finally meet a government worker with a soul. Oh my god, thank you so much. But yeah, now I just gotta go home, do some official shit, get different documentation for these guys, and yeah, then I think I'm gonna repair my elbow pads. I really felt like I was missing my elbow pads today. When I was going this fast, man, my elbows started feeling weird. Like, oh dude, if you fall right now, man, your elbows are gonna be paste. And yeah, so I'm gonna go home and fix those with the Velcro I have. And what else for today? Honestly, I'm too tired, guys. I haven't even had a cigarette yet. So yeah, I'm gonna smoke a cigarette and get home and get all my shit. And good morning, guys. Okay, I just got home, guys, and I thought, well, maybe it's early enough to actually go for a bottle run. Let's try that. Early day bottle run. Well, it's like 11 a.m. right now, but yeah, let's try. Maybe the other bums didn't wake up yet. Alright guys, let's start by delivering the bottles I already got. I'm not a big fan of industrial areas, but this is a beautiful shot right here. I guess all places have their beauty, even places you don't really associate with it. Just look how beautifully the sun is falling. The sunshine is beautiful right now. Wow. So far, we got a little bit. Hey, it's more than I expected. I'm going to the train station now to finish up. I didn't really get much, guys, but the weather is so beautiful and it's kind of warm right now. Well, not really, but compared to what I'm used to. So I'm gonna go down by the harbor and see if I can't find anything there. Let's go. Today's it's gonna be a good day. I can feel it. I mean, it already has been so far, and I'm making decent money right now. Let's go. I think this boat has some kind of an atomic reactor. Look at that symbol right there. The Abel J, or Abel J in Danish. And the harbor is really a beautiful area. I like it around this time of day. Just gonna go hand in the bottles I have. And I think I'm gonna go have a cigarette by the water afterwards. Well, for now, let's head over there. It's been a while since I've been listening to Andre. I don't know, to me it's just kind of summer music, maybe early spring music. I don't know, man, I like the weather. I'm in a good mood today. I'm gonna put it on. This is nice. I'm gonna smoke a cigarette. Put this music back on. Guys, I forgot to buy tea. I need it. Like, I'm gonna be busy all day doing stuff inside, so I'm gonna go get myself some tea. Alright guys, I went to buy tea, but then I saw an offer I couldn't refuse. 10x 5 krona. Before I bought these packs, which were very reduced in price, 10x for 12 krona, so more than twice as much. Normally 15x are 40 krona. Okay, so this is like an absolute steal. I just got 5 packs, and then they had another 2 that was even further for sale, because these stupid idiot, well, they're not even stupid, it's like a regulation. There has to be an expiry date on everything. But eggs don't really expire if you properly store them. I mean, it's gonna take months, right? And these, they're from last month. Let me see. Yeah, the end of last... Basically, they're from a couple weeks ago. Like, these are gonna be good for at least a month. So yeah, I'm gonna be eating a lot of egg cake or egg cake. And I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a long time, guys. I'm gonna make scrambled eggs. You know, eggs have gotten so expensive that I actually agree with that woman from the meme that 6 bumba pussy rakla bumba pussy blokla egg. You know, some Jamaican woman who got very angry with her adult son for using 6 whole eggs for making scrambled eggs. She was losing it, throwing it out of the apartment. But yeah, I'm gonna make 6 bomber pussy blå-clad egg right now. Well, first thing I did when I got home is invite my friend couple for egg cake, or æggekage in Danish. You know, the thing I make out of milk and eggs and flour, and I mean, typically you put tomatoes on there, but it's just kind of an expense. I don't like, I put ketchup on it, so why do I need that? But I guess if they're coming over, I'll buy a couple tomatoes, just so it's proper æggekage. But yeah, time for the eggs, the scrambled eggs. Oh, I haven't had scrambled for such a while. Let's go. 4 pieces of rye bread, 6 bomber pussy blå-clad bomber pussy ras-clad egg, and I got ketchup as well. Tea. Today's gonna be a good day, guys. I cannot believe I was this lucky when it comes to dealing with the government, man. These fucking welfare things. Like, the moment you show up a minute too late, it's just start over the whole process, dude. Oh. I don't believe in guardian angels, but who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. I really needed this. Okay, so basically I've been having this issue where my tea will cool down so quickly because I'm standing it on this stone tabletop, and it just sucks out all the heat and cools down my tea in minutes. So I just cut off this thing from a box and made a little makeshift coaster